If you've added bigger tires, gears, or just crave more response out of your Jeep Gladiator JT, you've probably noticed that the stock setup just doesn't keep up. Throttle lag, inaccurate speedometers, and locked-out features can hold back your rig. That's where tuners and throttle modules step in. They unlock hidden performance, improve drivability, and help sync your upgrades. In this video, we're checking out the best tuners and programmers for the Gladiator JT. Links to each product are down in the video description, so hit those if you're ready to upgrade. Let's kick things off with the SUPERCHIPS FLASHCAL. This handheld tool is like your Gladiator's brain surgeon. It recalibrates speedometers for tires up to 40 inches, adjusts gear ratios to 5.38, and even tweaks stuff like TPMS, sway bar control in 2 high, and DRL settings. It's super easy to navigate with one hand, thanks to the full-color display and comfy button layout. Beyond just tweaks, it'll also read and clear trouble codes and let you log performance data for tuning later. It's a street-legal tool built for guys running serious mods but wanting a simple fix. Next up is the FukinTuned throttle controller, and let me tell you, this one wakes your Jeep up. It plugs in line with your accelerator and gives you 36 throttle maps, from full send to fuel sip and chill. It cuts out that factory delay and gives you instant gas pedal response. Daily driver? There's a mode for that. Off-roader? Yep. Want to save fuel? Hit the FN, slow mode. And for added peace of mind, it's got an anti-theft mode that disables the pedal completely. No tools, no hassle. Just plug and rip. Then we've got the ECRI calibration module, which is basically a pocket-sized genius. It syncs to your smartphone, iOS or Android, and lets you recalibrate for tires, gear ratios, TPMS, and even transfer case ratios. It updates wirelessly and works across multiple vehicles, so it's great for families or shops. You do need an in-app purchase to write calibrations, but once you're in, it's smooth sailing. Jeep guys love it because it's made by fellow enthusiasts who know the pain of mismatched mods. Super clean, no wires, and everything happens through the app. Rolling in at number 2 is the Tazer by Z Automotive, and this one's a full-blown control center. You can toggle over 70 vehicle functions, from TPMS settings to sway bar control, fog lights, hood alarm, auto start-stop, even full light shows for parades or emergency visibility. It's plug and play into your Jeep's OBD port, and you control it through your steering wheel buttons or key fob. The features are crazy. Garage door after shutdown, boost gauges, remote start tweaks. It's like giving your Gladiator a PhD in customization. Best part? You can unplug it and go back to stock anytime. And finally, the pedal commander, one of the most popular performance upgrades out there. Compatible with both 3.0-liter diesel and 3.6-liter gas engines in the Gladiator JT, it kills throttle lag instantly. You get 4 driving modes: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, and 36 levels of sensitivity to fine-tune your feel. Install takes under 10 minutes, no tools needed. There's even an anti-theft mode you can manage through the mobile app, which is a slick bonus. If you want something simple that delivers instant results, Pedal Commander's the no-brainer. Alright, so whether you're trying to match your speedo after 37 seconds, kill throttle lag, or just flex your lighting setup at the next Jeep meet, these tuners have you covered. Compare what matters most: calibration depth, throttle response, ease of use, and custom features. Then pick what fits your style. All the product links are down in the description, so go check them out. And if this video helped you narrow things down, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've got more Jeep mods coming your way. Stay tuned, trail tested.